Today I'm going to show you how to make a calcium amendment using a vinegar extraction. So you could use eggshells, oysters, crab shells, clams, bones, but today I am going to be using eggshells and a couple mussel shells. I set the oven to 350. Eggshells don't take that long, but they should probably take 10 minutes. The mussel shells, those will probably take longer, probably around 40 minutes. Look at those toasty eggs. Shell looks pretty good. I am gonna put the shell back in for a little while. Don't burn yourself. I took my ADD meds. I'm not gonna do it today. Take a look. Woo, it's hot. Hot, beauties. Put them in the jar. You're gonna want to fill the glass only about 15%. This may be a little more, but remember, it's not an exact science. So I'm taking apple cider vinegar and I'm gonna pour it in just about to the top. I'm gonna take a paper towel, put it over it, and take the cap to this mason jar and just slide it on top so it's still green. It's gonna stay like this for 2 weeks. I do have this labeled already and also the date that I'm starting it. I'm gonna put it in a bowl just in case it seeps out. Make sure to keep this in a cool place away from the sun. Once it's done after 2 weeks, you could strain this and then your liquid is ready as a foliage spray. 1 tablespoon per 4 gallons. If you take a look, very bubbling. There's plenty of minerals in here. So you can do this 2 to 3 times. You'll know when your bones and shells are done, when you no longer have gases being released. Hope that helps. Let me know how it goes.